What's up, MannyPack? Today we're doing a puzzle. Not like the average puzzle, but like, what do you call them? Brain teaser puzzles? What do you call them? Just a puzzle. It's a puzzle, but it's a puzzle box. You gotta figure out how to open it or something. This is a puzzle. That is something we're gonna start out with because we're not gonna be able to do this really fast. So,
and I'm not good with puzzles.
Yeah.
I can't think outside the box.
Do you want to figure this out? It's called the yin yang. You gotta disconnect the two pieces. That's the goal. It's 3 stars. This one is 4 stars.
If you could just like brute force it.
You can brute force it through that end, yeah.
But you have to figure out how to get to the other. You can't really brute force it through that because... Okay.
I think I did something with it.
Did we do it? Yeah!
Nice.
Yeah! There we go. That took way too long. That's okay. Alright, let's get on to the real puzzle. It's called Pharaoh's Tomb. And it is a box that you have to manipulate the hidden panels and components of the box until it opens, revealing the chamber within.
Chamber within.
The chamber within.
I hope we get a prize.
Gold or something.
Oh, that'd be cool.
All right.
They can't say the chamber within and then have absolutely nothing in there.
Empty.
Just sounds like other boxes.
It's a bunch of cool little art designs. There's a slit in it. It looks like a top, but it doesn't open. Not really sure what to do, but we'll start it.
I can't push any in. I can't pull any out. There's no wiggle room for this. I don't know if there's any way gravity can help. This would make some incredible... This would make some incredible burglar cam footage.
Right. There is this... Hold on, I did something.
What'd you do?
I did something.
Oh, that pulls up.
It pulls up.
Oh, wow.
Okay. Okay. Hold on, does this pull out? This pulls up too. This pulls up too, guys. There's something to this, and then I'm guessing you go...
Oh, what? That's going to be difficult to put back to... No, it's not.
Oh my
He
gosh.
did it that fast?
I did that quicker than that.
That's crazy.
What the heck?
It's a good thing I got my friend Josh here to solve these for me.
Right. While you're reading boxes, I'm over here doing the work.
I loosened it up for you.
I mean, it wasn't too bad, you know? There's only so far you can go with these puzzles, right?
I was thinking, oh no, is this going to be really tough to put back together? Spoiler alert, these are the slots for the pegs.
Oh, okay, let me try this.
I don't know if spoilers are okay.
Nope, that won't work because I gotta have that in first. Man! Okay, maybe if I can... Crap. What if I put it in just a little bit? Yeah, there we go.
There you got it.
There we go.
I knew you'd get it.
That is the Pharaoh's tomb.
I'd say for two people who don't really do puzzles like this.
That was pretty good. So what it is there's this little crack here, right?
Fast.
So the one with the crack, you pull it back, kind of opens that a little, and you're like, what? Okay, cool. And then you pull this side, push that up, pull that side, take that out, and you've opened the box. That was 4 stars, and it wasn't that bad. I wouldn't mind doing some more. But it has to be entertaining, so you let us know if you liked it. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and remember that we post a video every Friday at 6 a.m. Unless there's a new season or something, then we usually take a couple weeks.
Yeah, and that's about it. MannyPack out. Screw this puzzle.